Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Tuesday, 3rd February 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. stocks rebounded strongly to start February, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbing about 1.1%, the S&P 500 rising roughly 0.5%, and the Nasdaq Composite up about 0.6%. As investors shook off recent volatility and reacted to solid U.S. manufacturing data and easing pressure in commodities. Asian stock markets opened broadly higher today, rebounding after recent volatility as investors responded to stronger U.S. data and a calmer trading tone following sharp swings in commodities and sentiment. Major indexes like Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi climbed over 1 to 2%, while other regional bourses also traded in positive territory. Gift Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 26,187, thereby indicating an extremely strong opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices weakened, falling around 5% from recent multi-month highs amid easing geopolitical premium pressures and a stronger dollar reducing oil's appeal. Gold slid nearly 9%, and silver fell over 13%, driven by a strong U.S. dollar and investor repositioning following expectations around monetary policy. The Delhi High Court has ruled that the center can move forward with its appeal against an earlier single-judge order that refused to enforce a $3.8 billion foreign arbitral award related to the long-running dispute over the Pana Mukta and Tapti oil and gas fields, keeping the legal overhang on RIL in focus. Hyundai Motor India reported a 6.3% year-on-year rise in Q3 FY26 net profit to 1,234 crore rupees, with revenue increasing 7.96% to 17,973.5 crore rupees, supported by improved domestic demand after GST rate rationalization, while exports declined sequentially, but still posted a strong 21% year-over-year growth. Tata Power announced the successful commissioning of a 198-megawatt wind energy project for Tata Steel in Tamil Nadu under the group captive model, marking one of the largest wind projects of its kind and strengthening the company's renewable energy portfolio. As Trump announced the India-U.S. trade deal, Gift Nifty saw a strong reaction, and the index is expected to open around 26,000, which represents a gain of about 3 to 4% from yesterday's close. Support for today can be placed at 25,900, while resistance will be at 26,130, followed by 26,250, with a possibility of heading higher if the momentum sustains. Indian markets are still grappling with budget-related volatility, after equities saw one of the steepest budget day sell-offs in years due to the surprise STT hike on derivatives, higher trading costs, a lack of fresh foreign investor incentives, and ongoing foreign outflows, all of which could keep sentiment fragile and liquidity tight. On the upside, markets may find support from the recent India-U.S. trade deal, which has eased tariff concerns and boosted sentiment with a sharp surge in Gift Nifty expectations, while structural positives in Budget 2026 such as sustained infrastructure capex, semiconductor and technology pushes, and potential bargain hunting after the sell-off could attract renewed buying interest. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers of about 1,832 crore rupees, while DIIs were net buyers of around 2,446 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on February 3, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.